Hi guys, here 6 plus 6 is 12. Divide by 3 times 2. Now this is 12 divided by 3 is 4 times this 2. Here 4 times 2 is 8 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operations PEMDAS, this 8 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per the order of operations, we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. So, this is we have to do before this addition. Here, division and multiplications are equal priority. For this, we are going to follow here left to right rule. Left to right is this one. So, 6 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times this 2. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So 6 plus 2 times 2 is 4. Now 6 plus 4 is 10 is the correct answer.